Hey guys, welcome back to EduChamp. In this video we'll see how to simplify fractions. So let's start off with an example. 4 over 8. So how would we simplify this? So to simplify any fraction, we need to find the common factors between the numerator and the denominator. So over here, the common factors between 4 and 8 could be 2 or 4. So just for example's sake, let's take 2. What we have to do is divide 4 by 2 and 8 by 2. So 4 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. So we have to divide the numerator by the common factor and the denominator by the common factor. We'd get 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, over 8 divided by 2 is 4. We'll get 2 over 4. So then we have to find common factors between 2 and 4. So the common factors between 2 and 4 are again 2. So we do 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. I'll just write it down here. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now let's see if we can simplify this any further. So the common factors between 1 and 2 are just 1. So if we divide this by 1 and divide 2 by 1, we'd get 1 over 2. If you see this, 1 over 2 and 1 over 2, they're both the same, right? Which means that this is the simplified fraction. We cannot simplify this any further and get a different answer. Okay, so let's take another example. Let's take 6 over 8. So here we have to find the common factors between 6 and 8. We could again take 2. So 6 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 would be 3 over 8 divided by 2 would be 4. And this we cannot simplify any further because the only common factor between 3 and 4 is 1, and if we divide 3 by 1 and 4 by 1 we get the same answer. So this is the simplified fraction for 6 over 8. Okay, so now let's take another example. Let's take a bit larger number now. Let's take 20 over 40. So here, as our common factors between 20 and 40, we can still take 2, but I will not be taking that. We could still take 10 or 20. So remember this, when you find the HCF, the highest common factor, I'll just write it down, the highest common factor between the numerator and the denominator, then you'd get the simplified fraction in one go. In just one step you'd get the simplified fraction if you use the highest common factor. So the highest common factor between 20 and 40 would be 20. So 20 divided by 20 and 40 divided by 20. 20 divided by 20 would give us 1, and 40 divided by 20 would give us 2. So our answer would be a half, 1 over 2. If we were to take the common factors as 10, let's see what we get. 20 divided by 40, 20 divided by 10, and 40 divided by 10. So 20 divided by 10 would give us 2, over 40 divided by 10 would give us 4. Now the common factors between 2 and 4 are just 2. So 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So I'm just going to write it here. 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the simplified fraction is 1 over 2. So what can you see here? Here we got 1 over 2 and here we still got 1 over 2. So in whichever method you use, whichever common factor you use, you'd still get the same answer. But it would be easier for you if you use the highest common factor, if the number is small enough, so that you can get the simplified fraction in just one go. So it will be much quicker and you'll save more time in your exams to do other questions. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, then please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to always get notified whenever I upload another video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.